Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will create this base 50 by 50, thickness is 12 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel friends. Select extrude, select front plane, create on center rectangle, dimension is 50 by 50. Extrude up to 12 mm. Next, there is a flange both side. This surface sketch, select line, create sketch like this, create on circle, diameter 50 mm, give the dimensions, this is 25 and here to here 13, select this and this line, circle, tangent, this depth is 6 mm. Here give the vertical constraint, horizontal constraint, create on center line, select these lines, trim the unwanted lines first. Mirror about center axis. Trim entities, trim these lines. Give the dimension, there is one circle, center, dia 14, join the line here, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is 12 mm. Select this surface, sketch, create two circles, give the dimension, this is 30 mm. Finish sketch, extrude up to 6 mm. Next select this surface, sketch, change the surface, select this surface, sketch, select circle, give the dimensions, outer dia is 25, inner dia is 18 mm. Give the dimension from here to here 37. Give the vertical constraint, select line, give the tangent constraint for this, trim entities, trim this line, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is 12 mm. Next select the surface, sketch, select circle, give the dimensions 25, 18, finish sketch, extrude, length is 6 mm. Select these two extrusions, select air mirror, mirror about center plane, select this and this, mirror, mirror about center plane. That's it friends, you can compare both the drawings. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. So we can assign the material here, appearances. In the appearance you can see there are all the materials here. I will go with steel. In the steel also all related materials here. If you double click, it will assign the material. See. So which material you required, you can assign here. So select edit appearances, you can assign the color like this. So finally save the part wherever you want, Ctrl S. So that's the today's session friends. I hope you enjoy this session, and also I am requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends.